Welcome back to Autos Time, where we bring you the world's most iconic rides in the most stunning settings. And today, we've got something that's both rugged and refined, a powerful beast dressed in elegance. Presenting the all-new white Jeep Wrangler, showcased in a luxurious futuristic showroom that's nothing short of breathtaking. As you walk into the space, the first thing you'll notice is the glossy white floor, clean, polished, and glowing under ambient LED lighting. The entire atmosphere screams premium, with modern design lines, subtle reflections, and that soft hum of quiet luxury. But standing boldly in the center is the true star, the Jeep Wrangler. Let's start right at the front. The Jeep greets you with its iconic 7-slot grille, aggressive LED headlamps, and a muscular bumper design. Its white color finish shines brilliantly under the bright lights, giving it an almost futuristic presence. And right there on the front number plate, you'll see its name proudly displayed, Jeep Wrangler, bold and confident. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement now. Taking a slow walk to the side, the Wrangler stance becomes even more impressive. The strong body lines, matte black wheel arches, and large off-road tires perfectly balance ruggedness and style. The doors, handles, and side mirrors all have a refined finish that speaks of quality and design precision. Blacked-out windows give it a stealthy modern vibe, making it perfect for both urban adventures and wild terrains. As we move to the rear, the view is equally bold. The spare tire mounted on the back door reminds you that this isn't just a luxury showpiece. It's an off-road machine, ready for action. The taillights are sharply designed, offering modern LED detailing that fits seamlessly into the overall shape. Below, the rugged bumper and subtle badging complete the rear look. Every inch of this vehicle has been crafted with care, both for form and function. Let's take a moment to admire it from a front side angle, the perfect 3/4 view that blends the aggressive front with the strong side profile. This angle showcases the Jeep Wrangler's true personality. It's here you see the blend of luxury and toughness come together. The raised ride height, the shimmering paint, the bold stance, it all just works. And once again, that front plate reminds us what we're looking at. Jeep Wrangler. From the top, the view is no less exciting. The sculpted hood lines and roof structure tell a story of strength. You can see the bold proportions and the confidence in design, even from above. The reflections from the showroom lighting create a play of light and shadow across the body, giving it a dynamic, almost cinematic look. But step inside, and you'll be greeted by a whole different world. The interior of the Jeep Wrangler is a blend of rugged simplicity and advanced tech. Premium black leather seats with detailed white stitching create a refined cabin environment. The dashboard is packed with digital features, a large touchscreen interface, and clean button layouts. The steering wheel feels solid, and the ambient lighting gives it a modern, high-tech vibe. It's a space where driver and machine connect seamlessly. This Jeep Wrangler isn't just about power, it's about presence. Whether you're admiring it in this luxurious showroom or imagining it out on the open trail, it's a vehicle that inspires, bold, advanced, timeless. If you enjoyed this close-up look at the white Jeep Wrangler in this fantastic setting, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Autos Time, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next automotive experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.